Epoxy Putty Stick, which has got the hardener and the base both together. It's got a plastic film on it. I'm just going to cut a little bit off to do a temporary repair. Just like a bit of cheese. Now I've taken the plastic off the epoxy putty stick and I'm going to start to knead it. So I'm going to start to mix it. This will give me about 5 minutes time to get it on the job. This you can use it underwater as well, so it's really good for a temporary fix to stop a small leak. Not a big leak, but a small leak. Okay, get it all mixed really well because it is epoxy, and you've got to mix epoxies really well so they get full cure, full hardness. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just try and dry the surface a little bit. We've got a leaking tail off a valve here underneath, which is a little bit of a bad spot. So I just want to do this as a temporary repair because obviously we don't want to take the boat out of the water. There's just a bit of moisture coming out of there. We just want to try and stop that. So I've got the epoxy putty here. Just take about half of it first, roll it up and get it in underneath and start to push it around where the slow leak is, underneath here like that. I'm not sure exactly where the leak is coming from, but I'm pretty sure it's on this joint here, so I'm just hoping it'll stop it. I've sort of, if I feel that sort of pushing and stopping the leak now, the moisture seems to have slowed down. A little bit left here, and I'll just put that bit around the top just in case it wants to start to creep and get around the top. Obviously this is going to make the fitting a little bit harder to get off, but the next time I haul the boat out I can modify this a little bit and do it the proper way and get the fitting sealed correctly. Done.